Welcome to this episode of Open House. We are your designer.
I'm Grace.
I'm Shermain from Interior Artists. Today we are exploring a beautiful renovations project at 330 Sembawang Close at 5-room HDB that we have transformed into a homely, functional and luxurious space. Let's take a look inside. For this project, our main purposes was to beautify the space and make sure we utilize every area effectively. The homeowners wanted a comfortable and useful space, so our mission was to create a design that felt luxurious, homely and practical. Our design approach always starts with understanding the client's need. In this case, the homeowners wanted to enlarge the space visually while keeping some of their existing items.
We also ensure the design was sustainable and long-lasting by keeping it simple. For example, things like a false ceiling and clean line were used to create a look that would stand the test of time. And of course, we work within budget and building codes, advising the owner on what would work best for their space.
In this renovation, we introduced a few unique elements that really make a difference. For example, the granite flooring is something that's rare to find in Singapore homes these days, and it adds a luxurious touch to the space. We also incorporated a hidden door that seamlessly hides two bedrooms, giving the home a clean and uncluttered look. Another interesting addition was the sink which blends items before they flow down to the outlet pipe. A small feature, but one that really adds to the convenience and practicality of the space.
Every project comes with its own set of challenges, and for this one, the biggest hurdle was hiding the two bedrooms while still maintaining a functional and visually appealing layout. Another challenge was to enlarge the space visually, so we played with color scheme and strategic placement of furniture to make the area feel more open. We also had to be mindful of the client's existing items which were already in the unit and ensure that the renovation was completed within the timeline so they could move back in as soon as possible. We managed to achieve this by sticking to a detailed plan and working closely with the homeowners throughout the process. We also incorporated small details like gold trimmings to add a touch of luxury and curved edges on furniture to reduce the risk of injuries from sharp corners. The final result was a transformed space where we managed to hide the two bedrooms seamlessly and give the whole area a fresh and luxurious feel. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the 5-room HDB renovation at 330 Sembawang Close.
We hope you enjoy seeing how we transform this home into a functional, homely and luxurious space.
Stay tuned for more exciting projects on Open House, and we will see you next time!